As anticipation builds for its upcoming launch at MWC in February, new leaks are shedding light on what to expect from the Nothing Phone 2a, focusing particularly on its camera and display features. Reports surfacing from SmartBricks paint a picture of a Nothing Phone 2a as a device with rather humble specifications, aligning with the notion that it's designed to cater to budget-conscious buyers. Among its touted features is a dual camera setup reminiscent of the regular Phone 2, housing two 50-megapixel sensors. Within this setup, the primary shooter is said to utilize the Samsung S5KGN9 sensor, previously employed in the Moto G84 earlier this year. Complementing this is an ultra-wide camera equipped with the Samsung S5KJN1 50-megapixel sensor, which bears similarities to the one found in the Phone 2, sharing identical specifications in sensor size and pixel dimensions. Furthermore, the selfie camera might leverage the 32-megapixel Sony IMX615, a sensor seen in both Nothing Phone 2 and OnePlus 10 Pro models. Delving into the display details, rumors suggest that the Nothing Phone 2a might boast 120Hz AMOLED panel with a resolution of 1084 by 2412. This display, reportedly supplied by Visionox, is speculated to measure around 6.7 inches, potentially offering users an immersive visual experience. Previous speculations hinted at the possibility of the phone being powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7200 processor, signaling a balance between performance and affordability in this device. Expanding the palette of choices for potential buyers, this latest leak also discloses that the Phone 2a will be available in classic black and white color variants. With these sneak peeks into its specifications, the Nothing Phone 2a appears to position itself as an intriguing option for those seeking a blend of functionality and value within the smartphone market. As enthusiasts await its official unveiling, these leaks offer a tantalizing glimpse into what the device might offer, igniting curiosity and setting the stage for its much-anticipated debut.